Krass.
Bratan, there is no better place to understand how to become rich and happy than in prison. Here is the realest place. Here you can't hide. Here it shows how strong are you. So here is how you go from 0 to 100, no matter if inside or outside of prison. Business is business. Number 1, if you have nothing, first get a skill, a high income skill. In prison, this is medical skill, cut hair, fix clothes, make cereal bars. In real life, get a skill that pays minimum $100 per hour. Take 6 months to learn every day, minimum 2 hours. Examples: Suki-free AI architecture, specialized sales, cybersecurity, digital sovereignty. Step number 2. Now you have money coming in. Most fools buy a better life. In Russian prison, people get extra ration of bread or cigarettes or new phone. Stupid. No matter how much money you make, stay humble. Save your money to invest. I give you a number. Keep always 55% of what you make. Then go to step number 3, multiply. You will never get rich if you trade time for money. Remember that. You get rich when you multiply your time with money. Let me make that clear. In step 3, you use your money to multiply your force with delegation, automation, and AI. I explain. What you have mastered in step 1. You now use the money of step 2 to build automation so that your business runs with minimal time from your side. In prison, the smart 6 buy more tools, more supplies, more connections. They turn one haircut into a barbershop crew. In regular life, you use AI agents and CRMs to do your good work at scale. Spend 7% of your revenue on that. Demand return of investment in 30 days to see if it works. And, of course, you build a team who has your back. Yes, there are still good people out there. Trust me. Step number 4. Now it gets very boring, but this is where the money is. Invest into compounding assets with leverage. What does that mean? Compounding assets are things that become more valuable over time, like real estate, gold, silver, platinum. Not your TV, not your new car or your new phone. But I mentioned leverage. This means you use the money you have now to easily get more money in the future. Prison shows how capitalism works. It is called the storeman. A prisoner who bulk buys commissary, like ramen, tuna, mackerel, coffee, cigarettes, loans it to the broke ones who need it now. They borrow one soup, they need to pay back tomorrow double the price. Storeman takes payback, buys more bulk, loans more out. This is the cold game of capitalism. In regular life, do not go with this dishonorable shit. This is for Suki. Buy real estate. Rent it out to good people at decent prices. Good people and decent prices will give you a better, more steady income stream than high prices and broke people. In the long run, honor makes you more money than dishonor. And remember this, Druk. Every century, a major monetary system gets reset. That means only those people with hard assets like real estate will have something left. Everyone else, money, stocks, bonds, will be devalued. They will be stolen. Look at history. And look into future, Grim. Grim times are coming, but you are a Grim. So grim times can't harm you. You go to step 5. Now you build 5 different income streams that are not correlating. That means if one goes down, the other don't go down. I give you 5 that do not correlate. Number 1, rentals from your real estate in different parts of the world. Number 2, farmland income. People always need food. Number 3, private lending in an honorable way. Number 4, rare metal holding and mining. Number 5, royalties and digital products that give real value. I do the same. Read my second book of the Grimm cinematic universe, Grimm Prayers. Look link under the video. Once you have 5 to 15 income streams established, you have generational wealth. But what good is generational wealth if you have no generation coming after you? Nobody with honor. Your generational wealth will be gambled away on a long weekend. The most important aspect of generational wealth is not building money, but building values, building your own character, and focusing on a mission, a good reason why you get up in the morning. The best mission in the world is honor. This will build generational wealth because it builds not just money, but people and values. And that's what you need in your next generation, in your children. Otherwise, all is lost. Trust me. I have seen it. Be honorable.